I've just found this bad boy prompt that's going to take your prompting to the next level. We've all been there before. We try to come up with a detailed prompt and we start adding loads of information. Then it becomes unspecific and then we're not actually really sure on the task it actually needs to do. If I'm confused, Gemini is going to be confused. And as you know, the saying, garbage in, garbage out. So I'm going to share this prompt and I call it the prompt perfecter. I've put the full prompt in the description below. It's going to create a perfect output for you almost every time. Let me show you how it works. It has two stages. First, it will diagnose the weakness of your draft prompt, then deliver a clear and perfect version that stays true to the original intent. So phase one is the rapid diagnosis. It assesses your prompt on the professional criteria. It gives you a specific pass, caution, or fail. Right. Phase two is where the magic happens. It applies improvement only where caution or fail was noted in the previous phase. It makes sure to preserve your purpose, scope, persona. Crazy, right? It optimizes it for its brevity and clarity. And if it is marked any specific triggers, it tells you why. So you can feed back and say, actually, I was trying to do this. Okay, let's test it out. So I'm going to put the prompt in, make some LinkedIn content for my digital marketing agency. I know that's a failed prompt right there. It's got no tone, no audience, no goal, but no stress at all, because with this prompt, it's going to rewrite it. So let's see what it does. And look at that. It's even telling me where I might need to put additional information in, like who my audience is, what my service is selling. And now we've got the prompt, we can simply just copy and paste it into a new chat. So what I'm simply going to do is click on copy, and then I'm going to start a new chat. Make sure I've selected Pro, and then I'm going to paste in the new system prompt. But before I hit return, I've got to go through and delete the items I don't need. So I'm going to go for SEO for SaaS, delete that. I'm going to make a target audience for marketing directors at startups. And then I want it to be witty because I'm a funny guy. And then the goal is going to be to drive engagement and book discovery calls. Before I hit return, I'm going to click on tools and I'm going to want this in canvas mode, just easy to edit, and then hit submit. And look at that. There we go. Our content created for us with a lot more detail and it's grounded. So if we scroll through this as it's generating it, there you go. It's done everything I would have asked it to, and that's a solid post to start from. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that in terms of what it's outputted. Let's just go and see quickly what we would have got if we just put that simple prompt in. So let's try it out with that basic prompt without using our detailed prompt. And let's compare what we've got. Let's make sure we're using Canvas because we want it to be fair, right? And we're going to hit submit and let's see what it comes up with. And there we go. Here's an example of that. So it didn't really ask me any questions. It didn't really go through like what type of marketing agency I am. It's just started creating the content. So by using our detailed prompt, the output is so much better if we go there. It's grounded in all the information that we would provide. So there you go. I don't think it's a competition. Don't say I don't ever give you anything. You can grab the prompt below in the description. Remember to follow, like, and comment if you found this video helpful.